CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 32GB review. Ever wondered why it boosts Intel builds? Ever felt frustrated waiting for your PC to load games or handle heavy editing projects? Drop a comment if this sounds familiar. Sluggish performance and lag can kill your flow, whether you're gaming or creating content. Imagine a memory upgrade that not only boosts speed but also adds stunning RGB lighting to your rig, making your setup feel faster and more alive instantly. Deadlines, render queues, and resource-heavy apps can push your system to the limit. Picture a RAM kit that tackles intensive tasks effortlessly while maintaining stability and cool temperatures. No more micro-stutters or slowdowns, just a smooth, responsive system that keeps pace with your workflow. With the right memory, you can finally focus on your creativity, gaming, or multitasking without compromise. Enter the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 32GB, 2x16GB, 6000 MHz CL36, a game-changing memory kit for Intel builds. Operating at 6000 MHz with CL36-44-44-96 timings, it delivers peak performance with minimal latency, ideal for gaming, streaming, or content creation. The aluminum heat spreaders keep temperatures in check, even during long, intensive workloads. But it's not just speed. The 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs per module create dynamic lighting that synchronizes with other iCUE-compatible devices. One PC builder shared how enabling the XMP 3.0 profile instantly boosted frame rates in demanding AAA games, while the RGB lighting transformed their setup into a vibrant, immersive experience. CORSAIR iCUE integration allows custom lighting profiles and precise overclocking control, giving full control over both performance and aesthetics. Pro tip: tweak XMP profiles for app-specific optimization and watch multitasking become seamless. Comment yes if you want the bonus trick for optimizing RAM lighting patterns for productivity and immersion. This kit balances speed, stability, and visual appeal in a single, high-performance package. The CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 doesn't just perform, it impresses. Gamers report smoother frame rates and lower latency, while content creators experience faster renders and more responsive editing. One tech expert noted, "This kit hits the sweet spot between speed and latency, providing a tangible boost in both frame per second and system responsiveness." Industry analysts call it a benchmark in high-performance DDR5 memory, praising the combination of validated XMP profiles and vibrant RGB for reliability and aesthetic appeal. Influencers highlight its plug-and-play ease, XMP stability, and perfect fit for Intel 12th to 14th Gen motherboards. Users rave. Installation took seconds, and my system instantly felt snappier. Another commented, "RGB syncs perfectly with my fans and cooler via iCUE. My build looks cohesive and high-end." The aluminum heat spreaders keep temperatures low, ensuring stability under heavy loads. Curious which feature would upgrade your experience most: speed, RGB flare, or stability? Comment below. From competitive gaming to multi-application workflows, this kit merges efficiency, reliability, and show-stopping aesthetics. With this RAM, your system isn't just faster, it's smarter, more responsive, and visually striking. Upgrade your PC now with CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 32GB, limited stock. Join thousands of gamers, creators, and enthusiasts already experiencing lightning-fast speeds and immersive RGB lighting. The 6000 MHz frequency, aluminum heat spreaders, and Intel XMP 3.0 support make overclocking easy, stable, and safe. Click now to unlock a bonus tip for synchronizing RGB across your full setup. Don't settle for slow, dull memory. Transform your Intel build with CORSAIR today and enjoy high performance, visual flair, and reliable stability in every task.